This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today is an extremely exciting and very special video. Now, as you all know, I have been a VIP member for quite some time. Oh my gosh, why did I say VIP like that? So, since I've been a VIP member for quite some time, I know the benefit of racking up those points. So I racked them up until just waiting for my birthday because I wanted to do a really special haul. So that's what this is. So I couldn't resist. I had to get my Pure Serenity Builder Gel. I had to get a replacement of my white gel paint. And then with all the vertical ombre magic going on, I had to get me that cherry pudding gel because my brother recently wanted a black and red set, and I thought how much more fun it would be to do it with pudding gels. Now, the showstopper for today is the Jackpot Collection. Now, I am so excited to bring this to the channel. Now, I first saw the Jackpot Collection from Miss Beautiful Priya K's Nails. Madam Glam sent her out the entire February collection for her birthday, and I wanted to get it instantly, but it was sold out, and I had that notify me on. So as soon as that alerted me, it coincided with these points I had saved up, these credits, and these two, Wet Bandit and Kevin, are from the Wandering New York collection inspired by Home Alone. So I had to include those. And because I want to keep my natural nails long and strong, we wanted to refresh my Pure Serenity because we are about to be out. So I am so excited. This is a Las Vegas inspired collection called the Jackpot Collection. So we are traveling to the desert, Las Vegas, for this dreamy holographic pastel. Did you guys hear me? Pastel holographic gel polishes. They have a 5 opacity, so they are you don't have to worry about stacking them up too much. Now, as I'm going through these gorgeous colors, I just want to read to you what they have on their website. So it says, the bundle of soak-off holographic gel nail polishes contains 8 Candy Heart Pastel holographic gels with a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula. It's time to drench yourself in vivid holographic hues that will get your glamorous wheels spinning. From pinks to greens to blues, the light reflecting particles will give the nail a 3-dimensional effect. With smooth application, pigmented formula, and tons of glam, this new collection will embody the iconic, energetic desert city right at your fingertips. So I can't the pictures did not do this justice. When I began looking at this, it was like crushed up rainbow hollow chrome inside there. And y'all, under certain lights, it's like this light shimmer. The moment you go under the sun or an epic light source, you instantly are transformed to this holographic linear magic. I am to the moon. This is by far one of my favorites. I am so happy I waited for my birthday month to pick this up for myself because this is the best possible present. And you know how they say everything happens for a reason? I've been waiting to do my birthday nails because I was waiting for the Wanderlust bundle to come in, and there were some international shipping issues. Honestly, this was God working, because now in tandem with the Wanderlust collection and this Jackpot collection, your girl is going ham. So be prepared. My birthday set is finally going to happen. It's just in my heart of hearts, I knew that this order was coming, and I I could not, like, you know, you wait a whole year to do your birthday set. So I said, what's a couple days? This is still my birthday month, y'all. So I am so excited to finally be able to bring you my birthday set. And then because there is the Wandering New York collection, like I got 2 colors from there, there is some Nailed It video special that I want to do with those 2 colors. So I have so many plans, and there's still more Moana magic coming and Wonderlust goodies. So y'all, please make sure to have those notification bells on so you don't miss any of the good stuff. Now, this Eternal, I cannot get over these names. This is such a darling pink. Not Your Boo, Peppermint Kiss. Like, these names are insane. We got Lovesick, Hollow Lover, The Wish, Sugar Sugar, Peppermint Kiss, as I was saying. There's just, like, these names are so incredible. And I actually was watching a Miss Jo Nailco video like months ago when she was doing this unboxing, and she did a galaxy set, and I actually said in the comments that I would love to recreate that, and she actually encouraged me to do so. So now that I have this wonderful Jackpot collection, there will also be a Raven follows Miss Jo, nail or fail. Because she is just the greatest. She adds so much love and light to this community. And, you know, she could have totally shot me down and been like, you know, I don't want you to do that, or like no response. But she was so encouraging, and she was like, I love that, tag me. Like, I'd love to see that. And just coming from such a large influencer, it made me feel like $1,000,000. And that's what this community, like, it doesn't take much for us to be kind and lift each other up, you know? And that's what I think is the beauty of this community. So this is Wet Bandit and Kevin, the 2 colors I got from the Wandering New York. Now this was large for me, with Cherry Pudding Gel, Pure Serenity, 8 polishes from the Jackpot Collection, 2 from the Wandering New York. Like, this was a hefty haul, and I was so excited to do it. So I saved up a whopping 3 months of credits, which totaled to about $87 US, and then I just paid the extra amount. But when you get such a large credit, it essentially paid for the entire Jackpot collection. So if you guys aren't a VIP yet, I implore you, you need to become a VIP. If you go, you know, I always like to say goo goo gaga. If you go crazy, if you are a Madam Glam addict, then you really should be using the VIP service. Now, it is for $29 US a month, but that money rolls over into store credits. And you permanently, as soon as you're a VIP, no matter when there's a sale, it don't matter, you always get 50% off. So with that kind, you can't balk at that. Now this is where I get really excited. Now using model Veronica, I am using a previously swatched phalange. Now this is from the Wonderlust collection. It is called Purple Hero. Now if you get a complimentary color to these Jackpot colors, you get to use 1 coat, baby, and the coverage is insane. Now you can get this identical look by using 2 to 3 thin coats of this product, or getting a complimentary color, so something that matches, and then topping it, you also get an insane finish. This made my holographic, like, I am a holo lover. One of my favorite Korean dramas, it's like a sci-fi drama, is called Holo, like My Holo Lover, or My Holo Love, and I was obsessed with it. So I just think these names are so darling. But I did want to show you later on in the video, with my full hand, I do show you what it looks like to do like 2 thin coats in the amazing coverage. But you can also do what I just did here and use it as a topper. So I am ridiculously impressed with this linear holographic magic. It's just everything and more. So now, moving on, I wanted to test out Wet Bandit. So you can actually just put this on a clear nail all by itself. You can put it on a complementary color. You can put it on black. It does not matter. This is so pigmented, it will shine on whatever you put it on. This by far, this was another one that Miss Jo sold me. I saw her take this out and my mermaid heart just swam right out of my chest back to Atlantis. I had to get my sea pager and get her to come back because a mermaid without her heart, it ain't it. I turn into a siren and it gets really scary. So I needed my heart back. But this color, now I am going to have to do a full other look. So my birthday nails are going to be with the Wonderlust in the Jackpot Collection. But as soon as those nails come off, I want to put this. This is giving me dark siren vibes. And this cat eye is so beautiful. I'm actually going to take my time here. I am not going to speed this up. I want you guys to see the way it shifts, how fast it responds to the magnet. Like, I was just beside myself, and not in a bad way, in a very good way. It was like literally watching magic before you. Like, if you do not believe in fairies or magic, I swear to goodness, every time, you know, a nail artist, a nail tech buys Madam Glam, a fairy gets its wings. Because get out of here! Like, what in the enchanted forest is happening? The moment you see me put a magnet near this, the light source, it's like, sea witch be gone, all the magic is coming. I just can't get over how responsive and beautiful. And there's also like a tone to this polish, so it's like a jelly blue underneath. It just like, this is a standing ovation. Like, literally, I'm gulping deep, okay? This is a standing ovation polish. I am madly in love with this. And as you see, I can shift it forward, backwards. If I push it too much, I can bring it back without having to reapply the product. Like, it is so amazing. But I would encourage you to do one finger at a time so that you can flash whatever design you do with the magnetic particles into place. But you can't tell me that that is not mermaid paradise. Look at her. Like, oh my gosh. The dimensions, y'all. Like, this ain't three-dimensional. We are easily in 5 or 6D land right now. Like, this is insane. Out of everything that you have seen me bring out today, please tell me, what is your favorite so far? I really, really want to know, because for me, it was really hard to decide between the Jackpot Collection and these cat eyes. I was like, can I just pick everything? Like, this was the point where I was just so happy that I have, so sorry. One of our nail sisters, Priya, her daughter, Princess, she calls your toes toelanges. So I giggled because I was thinking, I have got 20 nails. You know, I got 10 toelanges and I got 10 phalanges. So I might end up using that on my toes because I am just in love. So with a bottom base of Purple Hero and a topper using Lovesick as a topper, we get this gorgeous nail. Y'all, is this not out of a fairy tale kingdom? One of my favorite movies is called The 10th Kingdom, and I feel like Virginia. I am no longer in New York. I have entered one of the 9 kingdoms, and I'm living for it. So all of a sudden, we are in New York, and it's so amazing that I mentioned the 10th Kingdom, because Home Alone stars in New York, and let me tell you, this is called Kevin. And if you guys have seen Home Alone, you filthy animals, then you know how amazing this color is. And it just embodied to me Home Alone. Like, you know, that red jacket, that red hat, like it's quintessential. Now, it wouldn't be Home Alone without messing with those bandits, right? So this is called Wet Bandit, and this just makes me feel like all of my siren dreams can come true. Now, this is just as reactive as their Silver Super Cat Eye. Now, if you guys do not have this in your repertoire, your beautiful Madam Glam collection, then this is a must. as I say, the perfect collection is like by far quintessential for you as a nail artist, alongside their white and black gel paints. But their cat eyes are unreal. So I would start off with the super cat eye, but then you need to get some of this Wondering New York, because I have not seen cat eyes move like this, y'all. And I'm wondering, like, because I know Mama has like a stack of these neodymium, I know I'm saying it wrong, but magnets, and they're super strong. I really want to get a stack like that, because I feel like this is moving, but it could move even more. Now, with my gorgeous ring light, we are seeing all of the holographic, gooey dreaminess. This is really, as they say, pastel hearts. I am madly in love. I wanted to show you with and without my camera flash on my phone. So this is without, and shortly I'll put it on. And that's really when you start seeing that rainbow holographic come out. But y'all, no matter what light you are under, you are going to be madly in love with this collection. And as Mama Does Nails says, this has gradient power, okay? Like, I am going to be using all of these pinks, blues, greens, purples, like Charm Sisters. Can you hear me? Charm Squad, assemble! My beautiful nail family. Please tell me that this is on your list now, because this collection, it stole my heart instantly, but I wasn't able to get it due to availability. So, as I pop that nail back in, now that it is available, y'all, do not sleep on this. This is, I just say, like, if you identify like me, if you are a fae, mermaid, unicorn, you're gonna want this shimmery magic in your arsenal. You are. Because let me tell you, even if you want a completely plain mani with no nail art, that's okay. Just put on a jackpot color, because the jackpot will speak for itself. You will literally feel like you are in Las Vegas and you just hit all the number 7s. That's it. Ding, ding, ding. You hit the jackpot because you got this collection. And truly, I believe if you are a VIP, if you shop, if you are a Madam Glam customer, then you already hit the jackpot, baby. Because you found a quality business that stands behind its clientele and customers and provides the best salon quality products. I don't just say that to say that. I say that as somebody with intense allergies that was able to get out of a very dark place because of Madam Glam. So I can't speak enough. And now I have my phone camera on and you can really see that holographic popping out there. It is so beautiful. So I would love to know, out of the Jackpot collection, what your favorite colors are. And just out of this haul, what did you see that enticed you or made you maybe want to get something? Now, I was so excited to chit chat, I wasn't able to include my code and my Nail Sisters codes, so I will leave that in the video and also in the description box below. You guys light up my life and fill my heart with so much joy. I love you, my beautiful nail family, and I can't wait to see you in the next one for all the amazing content to come. As I always say, do all things with love. Mwah. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And just for everyone coming through with the comments, every time you watch a video, I can't tell you how much that means to me. I pour my heart and soul into these. So just hearing your comments and just seeing your beautiful faces, it just means the world. So again, I was like, you're Raven. I am just sending you all of the love. Have an amazing day, and I hope this video found you so well.